To listen to Audible on Mac, start by opening the Audible website in your preferred web browser. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Browse the Audible library and select the audiobook you want to listen to. Then click the Buy Now button to purchase it. If you prefer to use the Audible app, download and install it from the Mac App Store. Once installed, launch the app and sign in with your Audible account credentials. Your purchased audiobooks will be synced to the app, allowing you to download and listen to them offline. To play an audiobook, select it from your library and click the play button. You can adjust the playback speed and set a sleep timer to stop the audiobook after a specified period. The app also allows you to create clips and bookmarks, making it easy to reference specific parts of the audiobook. To switch between devices, make sure your Audible account is synced across all devices. This way, you can start listening to an audiobook on your Mac and pick up where you left off on your mobile device or other compatible devices. For a more personalized listening experience, explore the app settings to adjust playback options, such as setting the default playback speed or enabling enhanced audio quality. You can also manage your audiobook library by sorting titles, creating collections, or removing unwanted books. To ensure a seamless listening experience, keep your Audible app and operating system up to date. Regular updates often include bug fixes, new features, and performance improvements. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy your Audible audiobooks on your Mac with ease.